Do you know about Buddhist meditation, Zen technique? It is practiced seated on the floor over a mat or a cushion, with crossed legs. Traditionally, it was done in the so-called lotus or half-lotus position, but this is hardly necessary. The most important aspect is keeping the back completely straight. Mouth is close and eyes kept lowered or closed if you prefer. It's usually practiced in two ways. Focusing on breath. Focus all your attention on the movement of the breath going in and out through the nose. Just sitting, in this form the practitioners remain as much as possible in the present moment, aware of and observing what passes through their minds and around them, without dwelling on anything in particular. It's a type of effortless presence meditation. Are you going to try the Zen meditation technique? Let me know in the comments. See us next time.